Marine oil spills can be extremely difficult to deal with, requiring a lot of time and effort by experts to remove oil from the water surface. How can their task be simplified? In the sea off Cardiff in Wales, engineers from a European research project are testing a new prototype that cleans oil spills quickly, efficiently and more cheaply than existing methods, which require multiple boats and complex oil containment measures.
What we've developed is a net which can float on the surface of the water, as you can see here, but without using any containment booms.
The big advantage is that this system can operate with a single boat and can work in stormy seas because it doesn't need to coordinate with other ships.
Using this system, we can operate in very heavy seas, such as force 7 conditions, where the wave heights will be quite high, and the polypropylene net will follow those wave contours to be able to collect the oil from the slicks.
So how does this floating mop deal with oil spills? The experiment in the test tank shows how the mop picks up engine oil from the surface without collecting much water. Its synthetic fabric is made of hydrophobic fibres and has a multi-layer structure which is good for different types of oil products.
You never know what kind of oil spills will happen. I mean, you never know if it will be heavy oil or light oil. So you have like something like compromise between two of these things. So you can collect heavy oil and you can collect light oil, and also you have very strong structure.
There are existing mops and absorbent mats, but they're not so efficient. They're not as good at soaking up oil, and they tend to sink.
This is a material which is being used nowadays. When it's submerged, its surface gets soaked with water, so it sinks, whereas the material developed within the project repels water and holds oil while staying afloat.
Tende a restare molto bene a galla e la galleggiabilità è ottimale per riempirsi di olio.
The next step for the engineers is to turn the research prototype into a commercial product that will have a much larger surface. The mops are capable of absorbing up to 50 times their weight in oil, which can be removed on board the ship with a special machine. Then the mops can be immediately reused.
The mops are recovered carrying all the oil, squeezed off through those yellow rollers you can see there, and drops into the bottom. It is then pumped on board to storage tanks, and water can be separated and put back to see if it's clean enough or taken away for further processing.
Engineers expect the design to be finalised in the coming months, and the new product should hit the market in less than a year.